Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I thought I'd show you guys what I'm going to send to England for a friend of mine. I have some sticky note and ballpoint pen set. It has shark on it, and the sticky notes are sharks. I thought that was really cute. These are from the Target dollar spot. Here is a push crayon, a notepad that says party notes, and a 6-color fast food pen, and some Post-it notes from the Planner Addict, some Star Wars pencil top erasers. These are mini erasers, and you just put them on top of a pencil. Some flowers, some just nice stickers that are for planners or whatnot. I have some stickers here that are unicorns and llamas and mermaids. I think there's mermaids in here. Yeah, there's mermaids. Some peppermint bark chocolate. A notepad. This is a notebook. I have some little goodies in here, and another little notebook. I have some goodies in here, and then I have, I think, 11 of these sticker books that you can get at our Michael's, but they don't have anything like that. So they are like $1 a piece here at our Michael's, and because they don't have anything like that, I thought it would be fun to send a bunch of those. And I'm just putting all of these in a box so that they can be mailed, and I'm hoping to get them in the mail as early as tomorrow. So if this box isn't full, I might add some more depending on how much shipping is going to be. So I might add a few other things in here, but for the most part, this is it, and I hope that she likes it. I think she will. What's not to like, right? It's all sorts of fun goodies. I might have to try to figure out how, well, I don't want to, maybe I'll just bend it. Maybe if I bend it that way, that'll be better. All right, so there is that. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day.